Reality bends in the digital maze. We don't collapse.